Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using a Dymo Label Writer 450 Turbo, the CJP-Geek UL 6FT AC power supply cord cable. This isn't just any replacement cord. It's designed with some serious thought put into quality and safety, which is something we always appreciate. Right off the bat, what stands out is the construction. The outer skin of this cable uses high-quality PVC material, which isn't just for looks. It provides excellent durability and protection. But the real magic happens inside, where you'll find a pure copper wire core. This isn't a minor detail. Pure copper means significantly stronger conductive load, less resistance, and ultimately, superior electrical conductivity. For your Dymo printer, this translates to a stable and efficient power supply, which is crucial for consistent performance. Safety is clearly a top priority for CJP-Geek, and they've gone the extra mile here. This cord is UL listed, which is a gold standard for safety certification, giving you immediate peace of mind. Beyond that, it boasts impressive heat resistance, flame retardant properties, and excellent bending resistance. This means it's built to last, even with everyday use and minor stresses. The product has undergone a number of rigorous tests, ensuring it meets high safety standards before it even reaches your hands. Furthermore, the security assurance features are robust. We're talking about built-in protection against overheat, overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. These safeguards are vital for protecting not just the cord itself, but more importantly, your valuable Dymo Label Writer printer from potential damage. This comprehensive protection also contributes to a faster charge in a shorter time compared to many standard options out there, thanks to its low resistance. The practical specifications are also well considered. It's a 6-foot cable, offering a good amount of reach without excessive clutter. It comes in a classic black color, features a male-to-female connector, operates at 120 volts, and is surprisingly lightweight at just 3 ounces. This makes it easy to manage and integrate into your workspace. So, if you're looking to replace a lost or damaged power cord for your Dymo Label Writer 450 Turbo, or simply want to upgrade to a more reliable and safer option, the CJP-Geek UL 6FT AC power supply cord cable presents itself as an excellent choice. Its focus on pure copper conductivity, UL-listed safety, and multi-layered protection truly sets it apart, ensuring your printer gets the stable and secure power it needs to keep those labels printing flawlessly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.